We are indeed very excited with this project, Rail Hub Cities for the Southeast Europe, that started in May 2012 and had laid the foundation for the collaborative and strategic partnership between railway companies. This milestone today marks the joint efforts of the project partners in strengthening cooperation in the fields of railway passenger transportation. The Slovenian partner of Rail4C project is Regional Development Agency of Ljubljanske urban region, and I would like to kindly invite its director for welcoming words, Ms. Ljubljanske.
We all know that mobility can be achieved in a more sustainable way and more efficient by public transport. But unfortunately, from 80s in Slovenia, we are facing the problem that number of passengers in public transport is declining, and car is the king of our roads. For this reason, our agency has approached several transnational projects like Rail4C, and these projects aim to improve public transport system. Through them, we initiate and encourage dialogues between transport operators, municipalities, regional and national authorities, and experts.
This project is based on 4 pillars. The first one is about information, the second is about harmonization of timetables, the third is new services, and finally, integrated ticket. But maybe the most important key element is that this project doesn't think only one part of the connection, but thinks about the 2 levels of our connection, European connection, the transnational level and also the local level. We think that this is the main key element, maybe the main pillar of our project.
The CATS project, having identified these issues, started having as a first and foremost objective to adopt the European Union Directive on ITS systems. And it's very interesting because Europe having such a directive means it puts a lot of faith and a lot of priority in ITS systems for them to achieve and bring to address mobility-related problems and also bring solutions in such issues. And that is both at a national and international level.
The Rail4C project encouraged 2 neighboring countries, Slovenia and Croatia, and their national railway operators to work better together. The reason we are here now. Signing of Memorandum of Understanding between national railway passenger operators from Slovenia and Croatia is arranged in a framework of project activities. This Memorandum of Harmonization of railway timetables on transnational level with a focus on already existing trains from Zagreb to Ljubljana with connection to Trieste is one of the project results. My Slovenian colleague and I will sign this agreement with the intention of international timetable coordination so that our users have quality transportation service on Zagreb-Trieste line, including the change of trains in Ljubljana. Transfer time in Ljubljana will take about an hour for both directions, which will enable passengers from Zagreb to reach Italy with minimal number of transfers and shorter travel time.
Social passenger transport has on the tracks a 527 train daily, every day, with almost 50,000 passengers. Most of these trains run in domestic traffic, but also we have trains in cross-border or international service with Croatia, Serbia, Macedonia, Austria, Germany, Switzerland, and also Hungary. And also in summer we have connection with Turkey and Netherlands, and this summer we started also with connection from Moscow to Koper. So now it's very important also this connection with Italy, and we have our first step because in December this year we start with 5 connection daily till Villa Opicina, and then with bus connection to Trieste. These trains will have also connection in summer with Pula and Koper, and the other hand, Ljubljana connection with Zagreb. So I believe that this project and this memorandum of understanding will give new wind for future, and that we improve our connection also between Italy and Slovenia and Croatia. Thank you very much for your attention.
So at this moment of life signing, I would like to express my sincere gratitude on behalf of Regional Development Agency of the Ljubljana urban region to everyone whose dedication and efforts have contributed to the finalization of this memorandum on and project in general.